So, Jan, tell us, what did you do this week?
Yeah, I painted your car.
It looks insane. Guys, I'm seeing it now for the first time, and I think the videos and the pictures don't do it justice. You have to see this car in real light. The color is just insane. So can you tell us a bit about the color, Jan? How is it made up? What is it called?
Yeah, it's now Sebastian Purple. So.
There we go. Custom paint?
Yeah, custom paint, yeah.
So how do we get this double color shift effect? Is it mixed with different kind of layers?
Yeah, it's kind of, it's pigments.
Pigments, eh?
Yeah.
And it reflects the light in different ways. Do you have to have a special technique how you paint it to get the light to reflect in different ways? Or?
It's pretty hard to get the clouds out. So it's very transparent, the paint. So it's really, you need to make multiple layers to get those clouds out. The first time you paint it is really cloudy, and then it fades away every time you put a small layer. So it's pretty hard.
It's an art, basically, yeah. So I mean, Jan's been doing this for quite a while. He's been painting cars from a couple of years already. I mean, like going on what, 10, 12 years, something like that. And I mean, just look at this color. It's insane. I mean, this is the front bumper, and it's blue at first effect, and then on the side you can see the purple that comes in there on the side. It's just
how the light comes in. Yeah.
Wow, man! And the whole chassis is being painted like this, so it looks like it came out of the factory like this. You know, it's so clean and neat with the paint coat. It's been completely stripped down and sandblasted, and the whole chassis got epoxy coated. And now it's got a real beautiful paint coat. And these front fenders are just so wide. I mean, look at that front fender. It's going to be giving us so much presence on the road. That these are the side skirts. Also really beautiful, came out really nice. And then all the carbon canard bits and flaps for the fenders and those kinds of things. So
those are from the rear bumpers. These are the canards in the front.
Front canards.
These are from the front fenders. These are behind the front fenders.
Okay, wow.
These are over here.
Yeah, on the side. Yeah, so this body kit's quite aggressive. It's got a lot of aero on the side here with like flaps that are laid down here with those carbon flaps over there. And the same thing at the back as well. The back's got like these carbon flaps here as well. So that's the back bumper over there that you can see with the exhaust hole over here, eye hook for towing, and another exhaust hole over here. But this thing looks incredible. And then the diffuser we're going to leave plain carbon, as well as the front splitter that's going to be plain carbon. The wing we're going to also do in the same purple blue color, but they're keeping the end plates carbon. So the doors have been painted as well, and so is the trunk. And the roof's still going to be done, and then the hood. So it's going to look incredible, and I'm really looking forward to seeing this thing come to life.
Yeah, me too.
I think people are going to be crazy to see this thing on the road. It's going to blow people's minds. I think the Supra is quite crazy, but this thing is on a different level.
Yeah, really.
It's really loud. I mean, just look at that. Oh man, it's so nice. I love how the roll cage also got painted as well. So we had Luke from the Netherlands building us a custom 6-point roll cage as well. So that's been welded into the chassis to give us some more stability. The idea behind this car was to make a time attack car, because this is a time attack wind tunnel developed body kit by Jay's Racing from Japan. But obviously now all this crazy paint and all this carbon work, I'm going to be a bit scared to put this thing into the wall. So I think we'll just enjoy it for some shows. Now, yeah. It's going to be more for a show car and that kind of stuff. But it's really something special. I've never seen something come out as beautiful as this. I mean, it's crazy. Jan's done some pretty cool projects, but this is speaks for itself. I want to show you the sneak peek though. Jan's been working on this real cool technique for painting the exposed carbon parts. So come take a look at this. Say hello to Lexi. Hello, Lexi. So this is the trunk, the Aero Works carbon trunk. And you can see here, it's got the exposed carbon through the paintwork. So Jan's done a fantastic job here. Kind of what they do with like Paganis and Lamborghinis, where you can see the exposed carbon weave underneath the paint. So he's done this in a clear coat to give that kind of effect of the paint, and the same thing with the doors. So here you see it looks like carbon, and then if you go in front, you see the blue, and then on this side you see the purple. So you've really got 3 different kind of looks and effects with that carbon weave showing up nicely there with the paint effect. So both doors are going to be matching the bodywork, because the bodywork was carbon fiber reinforced plastic, lightweight, and these doors were full carbon. They're actually really nice doors from Aeroworks, I believe. And they have the full interior inserts that can go back in there as well, with all the window components and the speakers and everything. So it'll be just like a regular door. So I really recommend these to be purchased for an S2000 if you guys are looking to do a really cool build. And they were imported by Showoff Imports. So you can check out the guys from Showoff Imports. They helped us with the body kit, getting that from Japan all the way here. Sibon hood, spoon sports hardtop, and these bits of carbon trunks and stuff from Aeroworks. Absolutely magnificent work, Jan. I've never seen anything like this before.
I don't see it either in the Netherlands. No.
I think this is going to be one of the best cars in Europe, at least. And maybe one of the craziest S2000s in the world. I don't know, but let's see what the reactions we're going to get online, and hopefully this car takes off with some cool exposure. So I'm excited. Thanks so much for Jan and the guys here at Next Level, of course. Always putting in their best work, and we'll catch you guys next time. And stay tuned for more content. Please hit like and definitely subscribe. Cheers.